Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean an EAA Windicator. This is a cool weapon. It is a .357 Magnum 38 Special snub nose revolver made by HWM or EAA. It's a Windicator made in Germany, very heavy firearm. We are going to do a quick simple cleaning. Basically it involves wiping the whole thing down with gun oil, opening up this, cleaning out the chamber, also making sure this is properly lubricated, and then the barrel as well. So for our purposes, we're going to grab a rag, we're going to grab some Rem oil. What kind of gun oil you use is up to you. As long as it is some type of gun cleaning oil, you will be just fine. The finish on this is completely safe to use gun oil on. If you have like a blued finish or something, then you maybe want to double check that. Generally, if there is any type of camo or blued finish or something, you don't want to use any kind of oil because it could take the finish off of the firearm. So that is something you definitely want to be careful of. But here we go, we're gonna get it all cleaned off, making sure that there is no skin oil on anything, because even though you may leave a little fabric from your cloth behind, it is much better than oil from your skin. That can be very damaging and tarnishing to metal. So we'll give this a good cleaning. And if there are spots on your gun that maybe are a little too rusty, or it's been let go for a little longer and it's just not as nice as you want, you can get a little bit more aggressive. You could use a little coarser cloth or a little more aggressive oil like a bore cleaner. That would be something a little more aggressive. You could also let the oil sit on there a little longer to kind of permeate into the corrosion to help get that cleaned up. And if all else fails, you could take it to a gunsmith and have them put a new finish over the outside of your gun. Like right here, for example, if you can see, there's some little discoloration that could be scrubbed off or buffed off with a little bit coarser of a cloth. So we're going to take that, we're going to get these, and then kick that open, push this up, and get down in there as well. Alright, now comes the barrel. So we can use this, which is a small, it's a little too small, so then you would want to wrap it with a cloth, or if you have one that's a little larger, that would be the perfect size. Again, if you fire it a lot and you look in there and there are little chunks of lead or gunpowder residue, you may want to use bore cleaner. For this purpose, we're going to use gun oil. It's relatively clean. Then we'll take this, go a few times in and out, get that cleaned out. And that doesn't stay on very well, but that's okay. Then we'll go inside each of these. There we go. Now this would be the only time you ever want to look down the barrel of a gun. It's when you're cleaning it and it is unloaded, and that looks very, very nice. Maybe you can get an angle on that. If not, you'll have to trust me. There we go. Get that mic off. There, get inside here. And then put it back. And there we go. That is it. That is how to clean a .357 mag 38 Special convertible snub nose revolver. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. In addition, if you like this video, please do so by clicking on that like button. Also, I hope you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned and notified of future videos. Also, if you feel like supporting this channel financially, you can do so using the links in the description below. Thank you.